Hello? Hello? Anyone? Anyone there? Hello? Hmm. Hmm. Is anyone there? Hello? Hello? I can't take this. Can't take this. Hello? Oh. What's going on? What's going on? Anyone? Hello? Hello? Oh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ralph. Ralph. Yes, Ralph. I'm from the Ralph family. Don't watch my nose. Don't watch my nose. My nose is gonna fix. Don't watch my nose. My name is Ralph. I'm from the Ralph family. Yes. Hello, my viewers. This is Ralph. Do you think Ralph is gonna be a star? You don't think so? You don't think Ralph is gonna be a star? Wow. Wow. Ralph, I'm not gonna be a star? Whoa. I don't think so. Okay. Let's get to the meat of the matter. Alright, my name is Ralph. My nose is wanna fix. I'm gonna fix my nose. So don't worry about my nose. Okay? Alright. Listen, I want to talk to you about something. Yes, I want to talk to you about something. I'm trying to walk around in my bathroom. Yes, because I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I said I can't sleep. I can't sleep. So I'm going to walk around in my bathroom. What you said? What you said? I'm ugly. What you said? I'm ugly. I'm ugly. My eyes are too big. Okay. Alright. I'm ugly. You said Ralph is ugly. You said Ralph is ugly. Alright. I'm just trying something here. Alright. Okay. Alright. You said Ralph is not going to be a star. Alright. Watch out. Ralph always be a star. I always star. I always shining. Alright. I'm tired. Can't sleep. I can't sleep. I want to sit. Alright. Listen. I can't sleep because I'm worried. My girl. She's not doing fine. My head. It's hot. Wow. I can't. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore, my girl. My girl. I can't leave her, and I can't live without her. What should I do? What should I do? I can't sleep. My girl is gone. Ralph's girl is gone. What should I do? Should I sit and worry? Or should I jump? Should I jump? Should I jump? Should I jump? Or should I fret? Fret not thyself, Joe. Joe, do not fret. Don't put woman on your head. Can't take this no more. My girl is gone. My girl is gone. My girl is gone. My girl is gone. She said she need a nutty on the front line. She need a nutty on the front line. I have to grow my locks. I have to grow. Ralph, you have to grow your locks. You have to grow your locks. She need a nutty on the front line. She need a nutty on the front line. That is what she's saying to me. She need a nutty on the front line. What should I do? Should I grow my locks? Should I grow my locks? Should I grow my locks? Yes, I should grow my locks. Okay. I'm not going to the barber anymore. I'm not going to the barber anymore. I'm gonna grow my locks because she said she need a nutty on the front line. All right, if she need a nutty on the front line, I will be there. Yes, black woman and child. Why? What's going on, Joe? What's going on, Ralph? What you doing, Ralph? What you doing? Ralph, what you doing? You're not supposed to. Are you crying, Ralph? I'm not crying. I don't think I am crying. Oh my God. Ralph. What you doing, Ralph? What you doing with yourself, Ralph? Come out of that, Ralph. Remember, you're a star. I am a star, yes. Why you worry yourself up over your girl? Let she go, man. Let she go, man. Let she go. Relax your brain. You can't worry about her. She need a rasta on the front line. Let she go, man. It is hard to do. It is hard to do. You know what? Let you go, man. Let you go. Yeah. Let you go, man. I'm gonna sit here waiting in vain. Yes. I'm gonna sit here waiting in vain. Because no woman don't cry. Come on, Joe. Come on, Ralph. Ralph. Come on, Ralph. Nobody be the Bob Marley thing, you know, Ralph. Come on, Ralph. Kick it out of your head. Nobody be the Bob Marley thing, Ralph. No, sir. It don't look good. No. No bother with the Ralph. Ralph no bother with the. She need a natty, make she go and go find a natty. Hmm. 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 I'm not worrying myself. Let she go. Make she go. Hmm. 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 What should I do? What should I do? Should I worry? Should I worry? No. I'm not worrying myself. Let she go. There is a lot of more chickens out there. Okay. Okay, Ralph. Okay, Ralph. Cheer up yourself, Ralph. Let she go, Ralph. No, Ralph. All right. All right, Ralph. I'm gonna be out for now. Please stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for part 2. Stay tuned for part 2. All right, I'm gonna grow my locks. Okay? I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Ralph, I'm out. I'm out.